Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. It says Matchbox, it says toys, it says letter S. This is the 2020 equivalent A case. Matchbox does not reset their letters, at least at this point. I don't know if they'll do it after Z, but the S case is the first case of 2020. Our friends in the UK have been pulling the short card version of this case. But this is the long card version sent to me by Mattel to showcase for you. Real quickly, though, I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to show you the R case that we unboxed, I think it was yesterday. And you can see that there are some changes to the case itself. I don't know if that's particularly newsworthy to any of you, but Matchbox is over here. Codes, the word toys, and take it in, because this is the new case now. Toys, Matchbox cars, probably easier for those that are stocking these to identify what's in a case so they can take them to the aisle. That might have been a request. Doesn't matter on this one because this one has already been sliced open so I could verify what it was, and it's getting unboxed here. So we should get right to it. Like I said, some of our friends in the UK have already seen this case. I have no idea when this is going to show up here in the United States, considering the R case just showed up, but it could be fairly soon. No reason to slice it open. Like I said, I had to verify that this was the correct case. So let's get right to it. 24 count case in store soon. As we've mentioned with these Matchbox cases, everything in here is new. These are all 2020 models. Some are new castings, some are new colors. No holdovers from the R case. They release these every couple of months, or at least they open up the gap. They make it wider so that these can be restocked over and over again. Let's get to it, right? Everything is new in here, starting with, you want to get to that one, but we'll start here at the top. It is the International Workstar Brush Fire Truck. And I'm thinking, let's see, Los Angeles County Fire Department. So that is probably a licensed, I would assume. We have gotten an update in the artwork as well. We're going to get new art. Boy, this one is sure riding it on the edge. Look at that cliff. Yikes, be careful there. Firefighters, that's a scary little cliff. This one is plastic body, I think metal base, which has been modified recently, I think in the last few years, which is a little bit of a bummer because it's a great casting, but that's a good looking version. Next up, 75 Chevy Caprice. Look at this one. The new art is great. I see a car in the background. I don't know if that's a licensed one or not, but look at this thing. It looks good. Kind of a little bit of an update on the Caprice. This one has the disc wheels. I think the previous versions had the tri-spoke wheels. So this one looks good with the disc wheels, and I think that art looks pretty rad too. And then what do you think of that? It is the Big Banana car. This is actually a licensed casting. This exists. I think if someone in California did it, I don't know if it doesn't mention here, but the Big Banana car. I think the body itself, if I remember when I saw this, is plastic, and then the base, but it has a good weight to it actually, and that art is great from Matchbox Jungle. You can see there's Matchbox Mountain and Highway, and I think we got some new segments as well. Next three, well, don't have to go through all of these because they're all the same, but it is the Ford Police Interceptor. It's like the Taurus. This one has a Skybusters deco on it, which is kind of cool. Sky Patrol, Police Interceptor, Matchbox. Three of those. I did notice when I opened these that we do have a few that are going to be threefers in this case. Don't know how they choose what ones go three and what ones don't, but there are some that are double and some that are triple. All right, 03 Mini Cooper S. Now this one looks a lot like a previous version of this one, of this casting. We have not seen this casting in forever, and I wonder if we look at it, if it does show that, yep, 2019, so it has been modified, or updated at least. I don't know if it's just a safety thing. Maybe there's a post in the back. I don't know. It does look like there is. It's really hard to pick it up on camera. They have been updating some of these castings with those posts for safety. But there's the art. It looks really good from Matchbox City. And I'll have to go back. I don't know if I have the older version of this casting, but I know we've had a red one that looks very similar to that one. This one doesn't have the decal on the back, but it does have it on the front. And then the 57 Ford Thunderbird, art is beautiful. Rose color is gorgeous as well. I like that one. Okay, we get another Thunderbird. Move that out of the way. And then we get the 2016 Nissan Titan Warrior Concept. This one's also just riding that cliff. Pretty dirty, pretty dusty, that one. Now, it looks very similar to the previous version, but if you compare it, and I don't think I have it right in front of me to compare. Actually, I can see it. This one has a similar charcoal color, but the rims are chrome on the previous version. They're gray on this one. We'll do a comparison between those two, and we feature that, make sure we'll see what the difference is. And here is this. This one is special. Different artwork. If you remember, there was that, we saw that ad, I think I posted on the blog, that this is a special collaboration between Mercedes and Matchbox. And this car is going to be given out to first graders all over the country. I think here in the U.S., I don't know if it's going to be anywhere else. But Matchbox champion first female touring car Grand Prix winner. This is the 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE sedan. New casting, and it looks fantastic. Chrome base, chrome grille, that vintage deco, which obviously is a licensed deco, and it looks great. Yuri Rosquist, I hope I'm saying that right, is the racer. That's really neat artwork. So there's one of those in here, I think. I don't think there's anything more than that. But that is a cool model. It's not a chase. People will think so because of the artwork. But that one's going to be handed out to first graders. All right, they picked this one as a 3-fer, which is interesting to me. It's the Road Lifter. And there's 3 of them. All right, moving on. All right, another new casting. We've already previewed this one. If I move this out of the way, you might be able to see right there, way in the back, is the Alfa Romeo Toy Fair right over there. Do you see that right there? That is the 2020 Toy Fair model. This is the casting that it's based on. This is the actual release. In red, looks beautiful with the grille, the bright red color, dark rims. Artwork is fantastic. We've already showcased that one, but that one is really cool. Full detail, front, rear, front and back. Next one, 74 Volkswagen Type 181, aka the Thing. Great choice for Matchbox Jungle. We've seen this color before, but this is definitely new with the Thing tampoed on the side there. I love that olive green and the tan interior. And how about this new casting? I have a feeling this one's going to be a hit for a lot of people too. Chevy Caprice Classic Police. NYPD Deco. What a way to debut. And it looks great. Doesn't get the front and the rear. It does get, well, it kind of gets the side deco. But that side silhouette, how pretty is that? That's going to be a great casting. I love Matchbox Police castings. Maybe I'll do a video. You guys let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video of like just, I won't do every version of every casting, but I'll do all of my Matchbox Police castings. It's pretty cool to see what they've done over the years, especially maybe the last 15 years. All right, another 3-fer. 61 Ford Ranchero in white. We haven't seen this casting for, this was debuted a couple years ago, right? And then in a rose color, I think, and now we see it in a pearl white color. I like it. There's 3 of them, so you better like it. 61 Ford Ranchero. That one's a little smaller, so you can see that, boy, that road. Whew, I don't want to drive that road. I'm trying to see if there's anything on the back that's worth noting. It doesn't look like it. For those, just for the new cases. And finishing off, Sonora Shredder. Another new casting here. Is this new casting? No, I don't think it is. The Nissan NV van, I don't think it is. No, this one has already been released. It's so funny how I lose track. And the 2016 Chevy Colorado Extreme, which is a toy for a couple of years ago. Pretty cool. All right, guys, there you go. What are the highlights of this case? Well, you guys get to decide what the highlights are. But for me, I would say, we'll get out our little trusty balancer so we can see these. I would say definitely the Caprice, definitely the Alpha, definitely the Mercedes. Is that all that? Oh, and then a very, very cool. I would say the other Caprice, the two Caprices. But I would say the major highlights here are the 4 new castings that are in this case. I think it's been a while since we've actually seen 4 new castings in the first case of the year for Matchbox. That's pretty cool. So pretty cool grouping there. You guys tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Mattel, for sending this case. It's looking like it's going to be a good year for Matchbox, but what's new, right? So lots to come, everybody. Bye.